cross, up, up, plie, cross that second foot, spotting front, plie, bring the shoulders around, plie, up, up, plie. Back knee is turned out as you plie. 7, 8, and plie, up, up, and plie, up, up, and plie, up, and plie, up, and brush. Fifth, passe, high passe, open second, beautiful. Brush, plie, open, and brush, passe, releve, close front, releve, close back. Brush, feel the back working. Now quarter turn, fourth, breathe, stay forward on the plie.
It's important to understand that as you do an attitude turn to the right, your supporting leg must still rotate to the left, even as you are reaching that right working leg around to the right. This allows your body to feel the opposition. Keep the shoulders in line with your hips during the turn.